DS Cloud is our brand new platform and it's available free with DS Hub. The question is, what is it and how is it going to benefit your business? Well, today's video, I'm going to do you a quick run through and I'm going to give you two practical examples of how DS Cloud is going to benefit you and your workshop. Let's grab the tool, log in, and let me show you. Let's set the scene. DS Cloud is Delphi's automated cloud service, which backs up everything that goes on in your diagnostic tool. How does it work? Whenever you're using your Delphi tool, everything that you do is being backed up to the cloud. This is fault codes, live data, calibrations, activations, everything. So now we know what it is, I want to show you two real-world examples of how it's going to be able to benefit you in your workshop. I'm a firm believer of real-world scenarios to decide whether it's going to be useful for you. Let's jump through to the laptop. Let's have a little look. First, we're going to access it from the hub. We're going to use Diagnostic Reports or DS Cloud, depending on which version that you have. So I've accessed Diagnostic Reports. If I'm going to go to here, my Diagnostics library, I can then search by make, model, VIN number, or registration number if you're in a country which supports this. So I'm going to use the car we have with me today, which is a BYD Dolphin. So because I've only done one of these in my history, I'm going to type in Dolphin. And then the software will find all of the BYD Dolphins that I've done in the past. So let's have a little look. We're going to search that data now. So we can see that I have 2 sessions there with the Dolphin. If I come down, I can see that we have 3 items. We did a global scan and 2 diagnostic sessions. Let's first head to the global scan. So from the global scan, we can see we have a full clean bill of health from all ECUs here, except for the communication converter. I can see that there were 4 fault codes logged within that system, and everything else has a full clean bill of health. And when we scroll down, we can see that we have a fault in the multifunction module with a loss of comms to the ABS module. And we have a TPMS error as well. Same sort of error, loss of communication with the ABS module. So really, we're just offering protection. We did another video before on global scan while it's important to do that. But let's look at a real world scenario, a real world case. I'm just going to go back and we're going to look at the other sessions that we did on the Dolphin. Just going to put it back in. And I'm going to go to the diagnostic sessions. Now, in a previous video, we did how to do a battery state of health check. So we can see here, we did the snapshot, and this particular battery had about a 95% state of health. And we did that because we can see that we have 146.49 amp hours. But that's this year. I want us to imagine now that every year we do this same diagnostic, we do the same state of health, and the DS Cloud automatically records every single year. What we can then do is each year begin to look at the degradation for your customer, and it's all data that you have accessible at the touch of your fingertips. So we can see that year 1, we had 146 amp hours, 95% state of health. Then as year 2, year 3 goes on, we can begin to see the battery degrade, and we can begin to see trends in batteries. Now, most batteries don't degrade in a linear fashion. They tend to degrade a bit more at the beginning, then they flatten, and then we drop off again at the end. But by having the data backed up in DS Cloud, we can see these trends occurring, and we can begin to then make predictions from the future perspective for this customer. So there's the first real-world example of how automated backing up within DS Cloud is going to really benefit you and your workshop. Let's move on to the biggest second benefit. So that first example was using a BYD Dolphin, but my second example is using a car I did a while ago, which was a Skoda Octavia. Now, on this vehicle, we did a really basic job. We did rear brake pad replacement. And of course, this particular job from a diagnostic tool perspective is 3 stages. We've got another video on it, which is retract calipers, replace pads, and put the calipers back. That's stage 2. But stage 3, and crucially, which most technicians miss, is the calibration of the tightness. So let's have a look on DS Cloud how that was recorded. So on the screen, you can see that I've filtered by Skoda Octavia, although this could be based on VIN number or registration number, depending on how it was recorded. So we have all of the different sessions, and I've got a filter on here that we can either filter by diagnostic or global scan. So I've gone from a diagnostic session because I want to see the evidence and the record that the diagnostic tool carried out the jobs correctly. So we have a lot of functions. This is a vehicle I've connected to many times. Just to make it easier for the video, I've put it on 3 separate tabs. So let's have a look at the first job I did was resetting of pistons before service. So we can see all of the information, the data that was presented to the technician. So the technician had a message to say, make sure that the parking brake is not active. Then they were presented with a button to say, click OK if you want to retract the calipers. And more importantly, we have an answer from the ECU that the function is complete. So this is the ECU answering to the diagnostic tool saying, I've completed it, and that's good. So stage 1, I've opened them up. Stage 2, we've then put them back on. Exactly the same methodology. We have messages to the technician, press OK to do the function, move pistons forward, function is complete. Stage 2 done. Importantly, last part, we now have basic setting of the brake system. This is going to calibrate the tightness, and everything is being recorded, including the technician has fitted the pads correctly, and the system, the ECU, was able to respond to our diagnostic tool to say that it was able to put the pads on, off, calibrate the tightness, and that the braking system is now working correctly. Everything is automatically backed up there in the DS Cloud. So if a customer does come to you and say, you didn't do the job correctly, you can at least evidence from a diagnostic tool perspective that everything was carried out absolutely correctly. You can then print it out, give it to the customer, and it just shows them that you're following correct procedure and you are doing the job as per the manufacturer process. So that was a little bit of a little opener to DS Cloud and how it's there to protect your workshop. It's available easily in DS Hub, straight from the menu. Well, we hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching.